If you are unsure which terminals are which when wiring a replacement capacitor, stop and confirm before powering anything. Begin by turning off power at the main breaker and verify no voltage with a non-contact tester or multimeter. Then take a clear photo of the existing capacitor and all connected wires from multiple angles so you have a reference. Look for printed terminal labels on the capacitor such as C, HERM, HEAT, or FAN, and compare them to the wires and to the unit wiring diagram often found on the control panel or service cover. If labels are faded, the photo will help when consulting the schematic later. If the system schematic is not available, trace each wire to its component to confirm function. For example, a wire going to the fan motor should be the fan terminal, and a wire to the compressor contactor should be the hermetic compressor terminal. Select a replacement capacitor with identical capacitance and voltage ratings, and if it is a dual capacitor, match both values and the common terminal arrangement exactly. Mount the new capacitor securely using the original bracket or an equivalent strap to prevent vibration and to keep terminals from contacting metal. After wiring, double-check terminal to wire mapping against your photo and schematic. Tighten terminal screws firmly, but do not over-torque, then restore power and observe operation while listening for unusual noise and watching for rapid heating. Common mistakes include assuming wire color always matches function, which can lead to incorrect connections. So always trace wires and use the photo and schematic rather than color alone. Another issue is swapping the common terminal with a motor lead, which can cause immediate failure. So identify and confirm the common terminal by location and label, and match it to the common wire from the system. A third frequent problem is poor mechanical securing of the capacitor, which lets vibration loosen terminals and causes arcing. So strap the capacitor solidly and use locking or star washers on terminal screws when possible. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share project details so homeowners can find professionals and contractors can find work. We also host a discussion community where we exchange troubleshooting tips and real-world experiences related to electrical replacements and other home projects.